I finally got chosen by Newegg in the Newegg Shuffle. I got a video card. So let's see what's inside. Now, of course, with Newegg, you also have to buy a power supply or a motherboard or whatever. So this is the power supply that I got. It's the Tough Gaming 550 from ASUS. I don't really need it, but I guess we'll give it a try. It's 80 plus, bronze, but it is not modular, so it will be a mess. But I'm sure I can have some other thing to put this in. Now, the whole reason that I entered this is to get this. The ASUS ROG Strix, Republic of Gaming Strix Gaming Graphics Card 3060. This is why I entered the Newegg Shuffle. So let's open it up and take a look inside. It's tough. Here we go. Oh, look at me. I'm fancy. A little bit of documentation. Thank you. Speed setup. And the card itself. So, first thing, Velcro strap. The card. Oh, it's a big one. So it's got 1, 2, 3 display ports, 1, 2 HDMI connections. It's got one of those, and it's got a setting right here for that, whatever that is.